Scientific Models in Micromark has been making wooden ships for over 50 years. And one of the more famous ones, and one of the ones we've sold the most of, is a ship called the Cutty Sark. It was a T-clipper. We would have designers and historians work with us, guys like Walter Musciano, that would look deep into the history of the ship itself and look into the logs and the design of the ship and really come away with a detailed model. The ship and the figurehead comes from an old Scottish poem. And it was about a drunken farmer who was riding home on his horse and happened upon a churchyard and saw some witches and warlocks dancing. And he was struck by one of the witches, who was Nannie Dee. And she was wearing a girl's nightgown, basically a Cutty Sark is what he called it. He got on his horse, is riding away, and Nannie Dee was just able to grab the horse's tail and she yanks it off. Of course, Cutty Sark has an amazing history. After Prohibition, some British entrepreneurs started selling Cutty Sark Scotch whiskey in the United States. It became one of the most popular whiskeys for a while. It's even still sold today. This ship has an amazing history. That's just one of the features about it, and it goes back even to many long years ago. And that's what we love about modeling. It has the history, and then you have the representation of that right here on your desk.